Dolphin Doc Plus Gel Documentation System. The Dolphin Doc Plus is a compact, economical gel documentation system that captures fluorescent-stained gel images with a scientific-grade camera controlled by a personal computer. The Dolphin Doc Plus is shipped with the darkroom, camera holder set, and UV Transilluminator. Place the darkroom on a level benchtop before assembly. The camera holder set is equipped with the camera, lens, and filter. To install the camera holder set, remove the wing nuts along with the rubber pad. Place the rubber pad on top of the darkroom. Align the screw holes and mount the camera holder sat on top of the rubber pad. Secure the camera holder set with the wing nuts by screwing them from inside of the darkroom. Connect the camera USB cable on the back of the camera holder, set to the USB port of a personal computer. To install the UV Transilluminator, open the door of the darkroom and place the UV Transilluminator on the rollout tray. Plug in the intensity controller cable and the power cable. Set the intensity to low and switch on the power. The power of the UV Transilluminator will not turn on at this point because it is now controlled by the imaging system. Alternatively, the Wealtec BW20 blue and white Transilluminator can be used with the Dolphin Doc Plus system. Place it directly on top of the UV Transilluminator and plug in the 24-volt outlet inside the darkroom. To connect the main power, plug the power cable into the back of the darkroom and the other end into the power outlet. Switch on the power switch to on position. Now the Dolphin Doc Plus is ready for use. To use the system, turn on the personal computer and select Dolphin 1D. Select the camera on the top left corner of the toolbar to enter a live mode, which displays the live feed of the camera. The Dolphin Doc Plus is now ready for image capture. On the front control panel of the Dolphin Doc Plus, turn on the safety interlock switch. This will ensure the UV Transilluminator turns off when the door is open. Set the intensity to high and turn on the Transilluminator. Open the door and place a fluorescent ruler on top of the UV Transilluminator. Close the door and adjust the aperture zoom and focus. Adjust the aperture to the widest. Adjust the zoom to the jail size you want to observe. Adjust the focus with the fluorescent ruler. Select freeze to enter capture mode once the focus has been adjusted. Select preview mode to set exposure time manually. Select freeze to capture the image. Select save to save the image you have just captured to the main screen. Select save again to save the image to the hard drive of the personal computer or to an external USB drive. To export images in different file types, open an image on the main screen. Select File on the menu bar. Select Export Image. Choose the save location to which you wish to export the image. To print images, ensure the thermal printer is plugged in and the power is on. Select Print to print out the image.